If you're experiencing lower back pain, neck pain, aches and pains, or injuries from a car accident, you need to see a licensed chiropractor. Don't suffer any longer dealing with pain. Our experienced chiropractic team can help you start feeling better in just a few visits. The best part is, treatment involves no drugs and no surgery. We're committed to bringing you better health and a better way of life by teaching and practicing the true principles of chiropractic wellness care. So contact us now to set up a free consultation. You've got nothing to lose but pain.
So, I'm gonna do like this. You tell me what's going on with you, Mr. Jason.
So I have some lower back and kind of like I want to say upper middle, like I want to say knots.
Okay.
And I get those very frequently.
Okay.
But as I always have my brother move something this weekend, it kind of like tweaked something.
Okay. And was it heavy what you moved?
It was a table.
How heavy?
Maybe 50 pounds, I want to say.
50 pounds, okay. And you moved by yourself or with him?
No, with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So at this point in time, besides the knots, do you have any pain in your neck, mid back or lower back?
Just lower, like
lower back.
probably like right there, yeah.
Any shooting pain down your legs?
My knee actually.
Your knee?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on? Does it click? Or just shooting pain from the buttock down to your knee?
It may be something separate, but it's like when I move it like a certain way, I can't explain it. It's just like a sharp pain, and then sometimes it does click.
Okay. Okay. How long has it been going on?
This is common, like my knots in my back. I want to say it's been going on for like 5 years at least.
Okay. Okay. Lower back pain. And you mentioned over the phone that the last time you saw a chiropractor was, what, about 8 months ago?
It was just for an adjustment though.
Just adjustment? And did any results? From
I felt relieved for about, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay. Give me a minute, okay? And what's the level of pain in your lower back? 1 to 10?
Like a 4.5 maybe.
5. And the knee pain?
Knee pain, when I move it the wrong way, it's like 7.
7.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on. Any headaches?
Yes, a lot.
A lot? Okay, you didn't say anything, but yeah. What's the level of headaches, 1 to 10?
They're probably like around a 6, and I get them maybe once a week or twice a week.
Okay. Right side, C1 on the right. Any pain around here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, right there, yeah.
Bend forward at your waist, back, forward again, back, forward again. Okay. Okay. Stand up, please. Face the window, march in place.
Mark.
Stop. Have a seat, I'll be right back. So, this is your hold. This is you looking at yourself from behind, okay? So the left side of your pelvis is about 1.5 inches lower than the right side. So it makes one of your legs longer, one of the legs shorter. The left one is shorter, the right one is longer. So when you walk, you put an even load, and that's why your knees hurting, okay? And so the left leg is compensating, okay? So you see the legs are attached over here to these sockets. And your pelvis is like this, okay?
Okay.
So what we need to do is basically adjust your pelvis here on the right side and make it straight. And spine, when it's out of alignment like this, the rest of the spine, because of the gravity, is going to compensate. So, and then your middle back, the left shoulder is about 1 inch higher than the right one. And then your neck, there's no range of motion on the left side over here. And your upper cervical doesn't move on the right side at all. And that's what's most likely causing headaches. So once we relieve the pressure here, adjust it on the left side, adjust your middle back, your lumbar spine on the left side, and the right sacroiliac joint, things are going to fall back in place.
Okay.
8 months is a long time, so don't get excited and think that I can fix 100% after one session. Most likely, you're going to come back maybe 2 more times, so like get like 3 consecutive sessions to get you stabilized, and then you can come like once a month for the maintenance, or you can come back 5 years from now and fall apart. It's up to you.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Do you have any questions before we proceed?
When you say 3 consecutive days, you mean like 3 days in a row?
No, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay.
No, I'm here only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so
Okay.
we're not going to be here.
Yeah, because I can only come on Mondays. That's my only day
Okay.
off.
Well, that's fine.
Yeah.
What time is your schedule Wednesday and Friday?
I'm in Palo Alto from 7 in the morning till probably like 6 p.m.
Okay, yeah, that's not going to work.
Yeah.
Well, then Mondays it is. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, ready to rock and roll?
Sure, let's do
Alright,
it.
so I'm going to set you up for hit and stem.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna adjust, and then I'm gonna do some duty. So hopefully Gil will be here by that time.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
Alright, so how was the therapy?
It was really good.
Yeah.
I actually never had that before.
Really?
Yeah.
Did the previous chiropractor never done this before?
He has not
Didn't
done.
soften up your soft tissues before doing adjustments?
Yeah, he's not done that.
That guy. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Breath in. Out. Okay, breath in, out. So if he hasn't done it, that means he never made you fall asleep. Okay, go on your side, face me, please.
Facing you?
Yeah. Okay. We'll take a look at the nose here. Alright, okay. Keep this leg straight. This goes here. Give me your left hand. Relax. Okay. I think they found you. Relax your shoulders. Okay, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, sit up. Keep your feet down, please. Okay, lean back. See if you can look at yourself.
Oh.
That was a good one. Yeah, let's do upper cervicals here. Alright. Now we just need to finish one more thing, which is your lumbar spine. Okay, stand up for a second. Okay. Go ahead and lie on your side, face me, head over there. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Okay, good. Alright. Stand on your feet. How does it feel?
I feel lightheaded. Yeah.
Lightheaded?
Yeah, but it feels good. Yeah.
Okay. What was the worst position that you did that was hurting your back? Sitting, standing?
It was mostly sitting.
Okay, go ahead, sit down and try to move from left to right and see if that feels better.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah. when I turn this way, I feel a little something there.
Well, we're not done yet. You're gonna see my massage therapist
Okay.
right after this, and then she's gonna polish your entire spine
okay.
from neck all the way to back.
Nice.
How's your neck moving?
Yeah.
Good.
It's good. Yeah.
Okay. Good. So let's go see Gail. I'll tell her what to do, and then we'll go from there.